Hello everyone, welcome to the Bethlehem Public Library. My name is Amresse, I'm our head of marketing and development, and this is our new renovated library space. Our entire first floor was renovated this year. We're very excited about it. We have a safer, brighter, more open environment for all of you. We have kept our entire collection, but we've added a few really fun things. We've added 2 huddle rooms. I'm bothering someone, sorry. These are our huddle rooms, our south and north rooms, where you can come and do any remote working that you might need to do, taking phone calls, having meetings, doing Zoom calls. We have our computer lab more centrally located and our reference desk located right here in the middle of the room. It's beautiful, it's bright, it's airy, it's lighter, and we've been expanding our resources, which is so amazing. And I'm gonna take you guys downstairs to see what's happening down there. All right, so now we're at Studio 11, which is a public use recording studio for all of Bethlehem, Lehigh Valley, anyone that wants to use it. It is completely free. So this is set up by Matt Mulchaney, Shard's Recording Studio here in Bethlehem. If you know, you know. An amazing, incredible studio that has professional sound equipment, SM7B mics, Shure mics. We've got every instrument you can possibly think of. We have sound engineering equipment for podcasts, individual musicians, bands, anyone can perform here up to 7 hours a week for free. It's definitely the best deal in town, completely free. Up to 7 hours a week for free. Book online at babbel.org/studio11. Really easy. We'll set you up with the sound recording artist and engineer. We can set you up with a muse, anything that you need, all completely professional equipment. It's amazing. I don't even know how to describe it because we have so many amazing, cool projects we have going on here. And if you're interested in performing at the library and being loud at the library, join us November 11th for Studio 11's Giant 11 Fest. All right, and now we are in our children's section, entire second floor of our library dedicated to kids, youth section, young adults. We've got a live wizard to visit. We have nonfiction, fiction books. We have children's events, music, anything a kid could possibly need to grow. We have computers that are available all day, every day for children's events. And we even have homework help every single week to make sure that kids have help with their homework when it becomes a little too much for the parents. All right, and now Spike and I have to say goodbye. Thank you so much for visiting us at the library. I hope I see you soon. Please join us at PA Bappel on social media and www.bappel.org to find out more. Thank you.